Go out on the weekends, I barely. Peace and prosperity. Drinking not heavy. She can't stop texting me. I don't know.
Hi, I'm back. Happy 2018, y'all. This is my first video of the year, so happy new year to everybody. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and welcome back if you're not new. Some of y'all are probably like, what is going on? Dominique, what did you do to your hair? Yes, y'all, I straightened my hair. Some of y'all already should know this if you follow me on social media, but a lot of you don't. So make sure you check the description box down below so you can keep in touch with me and stay connected. But yes, I've been hinting about straightening my hair for the past few weeks now, so I decided to just go ahead and do it. I put a lot of thought into it. I went from not wanting to do it to maybe I should do it, or no, I don't know about it. But then I was like, Dominique, you've met your goals. You surpassed your boob length goal from like 5 years ago, and your hair is super healthy, girl. So why not see the fruits of all my hard labor? So I really wanted to see what my hair would look like straight. But yeah, it took me so long to do it, and I'm so glad I did because I am loving this, y'all. It's a vibe. It's definitely a vibe. Like, get into it, okay? Also, my inspiration came from the Glam Twins. Now, I've been subscribed to their channel for so many years, for so long, y'all. Like, I feel like I've watched them grow, and they've become super successful here on YouTube and in social media. But anyways, I was really inspired by their hair routines, going from curly to straight and then back from straight to curly. If you don't know, I think that they usually wear their hair curly during the summer months and then straight during the cold months. But anyway, yes, they were my inspiration ultimately for doing this after meeting my goals. I really admire their routines, like I said, and I feel that their hair is really super healthy, and I feel like our hair is somewhat the same length. It may not be as long as theirs, but I definitely feel like our hair is similar. Now, my hair is a lot more on the thin side, as you can see. Like, my hair has always been super fine, and they have really pretty super thick hair, and it's so gorgeous. But I think that their routine worked really well for me, so I just kind of picked up some of their methods, going back watching their old videos and looking at the different products that they used. I even went out and purchased some of the products myself. It's been so long, y'all, since I went out and bought straight hair products, so that was interesting. But yeah, I wanted to get the trial sizes because I didn't know whether I was gonna like them or not, but obviously I do because my hair came out bomb. And I don't know yet if I want to make it official on whether I continue to straighten my hair or not. Like I said, I really do admire what the Glam Twins do, and I'm thinking about that now, so I need y'all's help. Like, would y'all be interested in seeing some straight hair tutorials? Now, of course, I'm gonna continue to wear my hair curly and give you guys curly hair tutorials and everything like that. The curly hair isn't going anywhere, trust and believe that. And I can't keep my hands out my hair, and I need to quit that. But yeah, anyway, enough rambling. Let's just hop right into the video. So if you want to see me transform from my curly hair to straight hair, then please continue to watch. Okay, before putting any heat in my hair, I deep conditioned the hell out of my hair with extra virgin olive oil and coconut oil. I also washed my hair with the Redken shampoo and conditioner, and yes, I used both tubes of conditioner. Thank God I bought 2 of them, and a little bit goes a long way with the shampoo. And since I'm going to be heat styling my hair, I'm using a heat protectant spray, of course, and the one that I'm using is by Tresemme. It's the Heat Tamer spray, I think it's called. I wanted to get the platinum strength one that the Glam Twins always use, but I couldn't find it anywhere. So if anyone knows where I can get it, then please let me know. All the products that I'll be using will be listed in the description box. And right now I'm just sectioning my hair into my usual 4 sections, getting ready to detangle my hair. Now I'm going in with the Redken Anti-Snap Leave-In Conditioner, and I really like this product a lot. It doesn't really have a smell to it or anything, but I still really like it because it's super lightweight. So I'm just smoothing this through my hair and making sure that I get the ends, and it's not greasy or sticky or anything like that, so that's really good since I'm going to be wearing my hair straight. So I'm just taking my comb and detangling my hair, and then I'll twist each section back up to keep it tangle free. Okay, to get my hair ready for blow drying, I'm just spraying my ends with argan oil from Organics, and then I'm spraying my entire section of hair with this blow drying spray from Kenra, I think it's called. This is the blow dryer that I'm using. It's from Conair, and I borrowed this from a friend, so I'll make sure to list it below. But I have to tell you about that blow drying spray. It worked so good, y'all. Like, I remember the Glam Twins talked a lot about it in their videos, and I wasn't even planning on buying it until I was in the checkout line at Ulta and I saw like a trial size version of it. So I just went ahead and picked it up, but I'm glad I did because it worked so good, y'all. And it smells really good. Oh, and this is just my reaction from seeing my hair so long for the first time in 5 years. But yeah, I really liked that blow drying spray, and I remember back in the day when I used to straighten my hair all the time that it would take me so long that I would have to take breaks because my arms would hurt. But I think that this took me under 30 minutes to blow dry my entire head. And clearly I was still in shock mode here. So this was the first time, y'all, in a long time. I even had to go show my husband real quick. Anywho, once I'm done blow drying that section, I'm just twisting my hair back up just to keep it detangled, and then I'm doing the same exact thing to all the other sections of my hair by applying the argan oil first to my ends to keep it moisturized, and then applying the Kenra blow drying spray. And I think that that spray is also another heat protectant spray. By the way, I really like this blow dryer a lot. I would have used my own blow dryer, except I do not have a detangling comb attachment to it. Plus mine is the nozzle one that looks kind of like a gun. So I really like this one because of the detangling comb attachment, even though I did end up breaking 3 teeth. So I'm gonna have to find a replacement on Amazon or something for my friends, so sorry. And I didn't want to use a paddle brush on my hair just because I feel like I would have damaged my hair or something from not knowing what I was doing, because I've never done that before. So I just went with what was most comfortable to me. Now I'm taking both sections and blow drying it together, and you can kind of see the gap in the comb from when I broke it. But yeah, I kind of wanted to make sure I get any damp areas that may have been back there. Once I get to the front of my hair, you can see my layers here. You couldn't tell I had layers with my curly hair because they were grown out, but you can definitely see it with my hair being straight. So this is what my hair looks like, all blown out. Oh my goodness, y'all. Can we just take a moment? Let's just take a moment, okay? Let's appreciate this right now. So now I'm about to flat iron my hair, and I borrowed these flat ironers, which are from the brand New Me. I borrowed these from another friend of mine, and I'm spraying more of that heat protecting spray. You can't have enough heat protecting spray on your hair, people. I'm telling you, I was trying to prevent all the heat damage, okay? I was serious. But I'm taking my paddle brush and brushing it through just to make sure it gets evenly distributed throughout my hair. And I'm going to begin sectioning my hair into 3 sections like I usually did back in the day. Okay, so I'm doing the chasing method for the first time. I've never done it before, so you'll see me struggling here a few times in the beginning, but eventually I caught on to it and got the hang of it. And this was one of the methods that the Glam twins used in their video, so I decided to try it out. And for the most part, it worked for me. Like I said, it just was a little bit rough in the beginning just because I was trying to get the hang of it, but eventually it worked out in the end. And even though I loaded up my hair on the heat protectant, I'm still only doing no more than 2 passes on each piece of hair. So yeah, I'm just going to continue flat ironing the rest of my hair using the chasing method, and I'm using a bristle brush to do this. It was recommended by the Glam twins. My hair is naturally curly and it curls up really tight, so this really helped to get my hair bone straight. But yeah, I'm gonna speed up this process so that we won't be sitting here for a million years. But really, it only took me under an hour to do my entire head, and that's because, like I said in the beginning, I was struggling. So all in all, I think it would only take me like maybe 45 minutes to do this. I think this is the first time my hair has ever been straight on my YouTube channel. So now that I'm done flat ironing my hair, I'm gonna trim my hair because I did have a few crispy ends and I was really overdue for a trim anyway with my curly hair. So I just decided to cut it while straight. So I just chopped off about 2 inches on each side to give it a more smooth, clean cut. See? Much better. You can't even tell that I cut off 2 inches. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!